Our bodies are marvels of biology, and understanding how to support the health of our cells is paramount. Think of your cells as tiny, resilient workers maintaining the body's infrastructure. The essence of cellular healing lies in their ability to repair and regenerate, ensuring continued harmony within our systems. These cells may suffer damage when we encounter stress, poor nutrition, or environmental toxins. So, cellular healing steps in to address this damage, offering a natural mechanism for renewal. To truly appreciate cellular healing, let's explore the science behind it. Our bodies consist of trillions of cells, each with a specific function. For instance, muscle cells enable movement, nerve cells transmit signals, and red blood cells carry oxygen. The integrity of these cells is crucial for overall well-being. When these cells face damage, the body initiates a series of processes to repair or replace them. This intricate dance is orchestrated by our genetic code, signaling the need for cellular regeneration. Nutrition is pivotal in this process, providing the essential building blocks for cellular repair. For instance, consider the impact of oxidative stress on cells. It's like a rusting process, with free radicals causing damage to cellular structures. Antioxidants found abundantly in certain foods act as the body's defense, neutralizing these free radicals and supporting cellular health. So, let's explore a set of nutrient-rich foods that might not be on your radar, but can significantly contribute to cellular healing. First up is spirulina. This blue-green algae is a nutritional powerhouse rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. Its high chlorophyll content aids in detoxification, promoting cellular health. Bone broth, which is an ancient remedy gaining modern recognition, is packed with collagen, amino acids, and minerals. These components support gut health and contribute to cellular regeneration. Moringa leaves, often referred to as the drumstick tree, are loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, and essential amino acids. Incorporating moringa into your diet provides a potent source of nutrients for cellular nourishment. Camu camu is an Amazonian fruit that is a vitamin C powerhouse. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen synthesis and acts as an antioxidant, supporting cellular repair and protection. Sea buckthorn, known for its bright orange berries, is rich in omega-7 fatty acids, vitamin C, and antioxidants. These elements contribute to cellular health as well as skin regeneration. Collected by bees from flowering plants, bee pollen is also another nutrient-dense superfood. It contains a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, providing holistic support for cellular well-being. Fermented garlic is another food that transforms into black garlic, boasting enhanced antioxidant properties. It contains allicin and S-allylcysteine, supporting immune function and cellular detoxification. Despite their name, tiger nuts are not nuts but small tubers. They offer a rich source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, promoting gut health and supporting overall cellular function. Beyond nutrition, holistic practices play a crucial role in supporting cellular healing. Cultivate mindfulness through practices like meditation and deep breathing. These activities promote a harmonious connection between the mind and body, positively influencing cellular health. Research has shown that individuals practicing mindfulness meditation experience positive changes in gene expression related to inflammation and the immune system. Physical activity is not just about burning calories, it's a catalyst for cellular repair. Engage in activities you enjoy, whether it's yoga, hiking, or dancing, to make exercise a joyful part of your routine. Quality sleep is a cornerstone of cellular regeneration. During deep sleep, the body engages in repair processes, ensuring your cells wake up refreshed and ready for a new day. Now, let's explore practical ways to seamlessly integrate cellular healing into your daily life. Create a vibrant and diverse meal plan incorporating a spectrum of colors and nutrients. Aim for a balanced intake of uncommon foods like spirulina, moringa, and sea buckthorn to provide your cells with a holistic range of nutrients. Small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements. Take the stairs, go for a short walk during breaks, and incorporate moments of stillness into your day. These simple habits contribute to overall well-being, supporting cellular health. Connect with holistic practitioners who can provide personalized guidance on your journey. Whether it's consulting a nutritionist for dietary advice or engaging with a wellness coach for lifestyle changes, having a support system enhances your commitment to cellular healing. Keep a journal to track your progress. Note changes in energy levels, mood, and overall well-being as you integrate these practices into your life. This self-reflection can be a powerful motivator on your cellular healing journey. As we conclude this exploration of cellular healing, remember that you have the innate power to nurture your cells and enhance your well-being. By understanding the science behind cellular healing, incorporating potent foods, embracing holistic practices, and making mindful lifestyle choices, you embark on a journey toward optimal health. Here's to the incredible resilience of your cells and the vibrant, cellularly enriched life that awaits you.